Good morning, students. You already know what is the definition of probability and their components. Today I am going to start probability related to playing cards. So, we first know how many playing cards are there. So, here 52 playing cards. Okay, total number of cards 52. And there are also two colors. One is red, another is black. Okay, one is red, another is black. Red color contains two items. Heart. Where is heart? Heart is there. It is heart. Okay. This symbol is heart. Okay, red color. And another is diamond. This symbol is diamond. Okay, this symbol is diamond. So two items, red color contain two items, heart and diamond. Okay. Next is red color also contain two items. Red color contain also two items. One is gloves, this gloves, it is gloves, this symbol is gloves. And another, it is spread. Okay? Each item contains 3 cards, 13 cards. Each item contains 13 cards. 13 cards, it also contains 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards. So how many cards total? 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is 52 cards. 52 cards. Okay? And cards number starting from 2. There are no any card number 1. Okay? Starting from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of 11, it is J. It is Jack. Instead of 12, it is K. Queen. Q. After J, it is Q. After Q, it is K. After K, it is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Each items, hearts, diamond, clubs, spade. Each item contains these 13 cards. So 13 into 4, that is equal to 52. Total 52 cards. Okay. And it is S. A-C-E. Spelling is A-C-E. S. Okay? Take card. Clear? And this JQK. These 3 cards are known as face card. F-A-C-E. Face card. Well, how many face card? Each item contains 3 face card. So like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 times 3. That is 12 face card. Here 3 face card of diamond. Okay? 3 face card of diamond. Clear? 3 face card. 3 face card of spread. Okay? 3 face card of spread. 3 face card of clubs. 3 face card. Okay? And 3 face card of heart. Okay? 3 face card of heart. Clear? Total 12 face cut. Okay, total face cut are 12. Here face cut total 12. 6 red face cut, 6 black red face cut. Okay, so 6 plus 6 total 12. Now, what is the question here? First question, one card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So how many cards? 52. So total number of sample pairs 52. Okay, total number of sample pairs. NS means total number of sample pairs 52. Okay. Now question, find the probability of getting a king of red color. Clear? So you write, let A be an event getting a king of red color. Okay, so how many red color? N of A means number of red color king. So here 2 king. Yes, 2 king red color of heart. It is heart color king and diamond color king. So here mention red color king. So what is the prob? It is 2. So by the definition of probability you know, all of you know, number of event by number of outcomes. Okay, clear? So number of event equal to 2 by total sample pairs 52. That is equal to 1 by 26. Clear? Complete. Okay. If the question is like that, find the probability getting a king. No color mentioned here. Okay. There are no color. If color is not mentioned, like that, the question is find the probability of getting a king. Then how many kings are there? 4 king, 2 red king, 2 black king. So in that case 4 by 56. Okay, 4 by 56 means 1 by 30. Clear? Next. A face card. So how many face card? 12 face card, 6 face card of red, 6 face card of black. So 12 face card to write. Another event B getting a face card here to write that. So probability of B equal to number of element of B. How many face card? There are no any color mentioned here. So how many face card? 12 face card. So 12 by 52. Okay, 12 by 52 means it is 6, 26 and 3 by 30. If question is face card of black color, then face card of black color is 6. So number 6 by 52. Okay, depend on the question. Clear? Next, a red face card. How many face card red? Suppose you write C B and getting red face card. Okay, red face card. Then probability of C. Lower part fixed 52. How many red face card? 3. You know, 3 red face card. Here 3 space card, 2 king, okay, 2 queen and 2 jack. So 6 fixed card. 6 5 15 2. Okay, here is the answer. Next, the jack of heart. The jack of heart. Now, hearts contain only one jack. Suppose it is an event B, you write getting a jack of hearts. The probability of event is how many jack? Heart cards contain how many jack? Only one jack. Only one jack contain heart. Okay. So here 1 by 52. 1 by 52. Hearts contain only one jack. So 1 by 52. 52 is the total number of sample place. 1 is the number of event. Next, a spread. So again you write let E be an event getting a spread. Okay, getting spread. So probability of this event equal to total part is lower part is fixed 52. How many spread are there? 13 spread. So chances 13. So 13 by 52. That is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? 1 by 4. So now next last question. The queen of diamonds. Diamonds contain only one queen. Diamond contains only one queen. Here, only one queen. Clear? So you write another event F getting the queen of diamonds. Then probability of this event is only one queen, 1 by 50. Okay? So in this way you can solve playing cards problem. Okay? After watching my video, my dear students, you will solve this type of problem. Okay? If you have any problem, you may ask my WhatsApp number. Okay? Or you can call me also. Okay? Thank you.